Hi there, it's Allison, and now I'm going to show you your basic cold process soap. This is a 3-oil soap, and in here I put in, I put in 8 ounces of coconut oil, 76 degree coconut oil, and 9.6 ounces of palm oil. Then I put it in the microwave and I melted it. Once this came out, I put in 14.4 ounces of olive oil, and then I just let it sit for a little bit until it got, the temperature was lower, and right now it is at 96 degrees, which is fine. I have my lye in an ice water bath here, and my lye in water is at 87 degrees, which is good. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like when you mix it all up, and I'm going to put some color in it and show you how that all looks. So I'm going to take my strainer and I'm going to strain my lye water. Sometimes there's some residue from the last time you made soap or something. You always want to strain it. Okay, nice and slow, no panicking. Make sure you have your goggles on, your gloves, your long sleeves. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this. There is, little pieces in there, so I'm glad I strained that. That goes in the sink. Stick blender. Give it a little stir. I mean, you can really see how it's starting to saponify from the bottom. So you're going to want to put this on low in pulses. Pulse, pulse, and stir. Nice and slow. Pulse and stir. No need to go fast, no need to panic. Pulse and stir. Now, right now, it's emulsified, but it's not a trace. So emulsified is when all the oils are mixed together. You don't see any oil floating at the top. Trace is when you can see, some lines. When you go like this, you can see some soap lines. I don't have that yet. Pulse and stir. Okay, it's starting to get thick now. It's at a light trace, and I think that's good. I'm not going to add any fragrance to this because I'm using this for embeds. So, take this out. Stick that in there. Now this is nice and loose, and this is what I want because I'm going to do a little bit of swirling. Now here I have my colors. I have Coral Reef Blue from TKB Trading. It's like this. I have a Neon Purple. I got this from a friend of mine. I don't know where she got it from. I guess it was a co-op. And then I have, and it looks like this. And I have activated charcoal in here. So I don't want to pour this just right into my soap. I want to mix it with some oil first. So I'm going to take a little bit of olive oil, and a little bit because you don't want to mess up your recipe. Pour a little bit of olive oil into each. See if that works. Yeah, that's going to work. Mix that up real good. That's the activated charcoal. That might need a little more oil. I didn't put enough in. There we go. Nice and smooth, no lumps. Great. And now we have the neon, which I never worked with neon before. It's a little harder to mix up. There it goes. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to pour some soap mixture into each. And then I'm going to do it in the pot swirl. I'll show you how to do it. There's this. That's a nice color. That neon is really nice. I hope you can see that. Okay. There's some black. A little more. I just eyeball this. I love activated charcoal. It makes a really nice black. Okay, and now I have the coral reef blue. Just use this. Alright, those are nice and mixed up. I really don't like to use the stick blender when I mix up the colors because I don't want it to get too thick. Some people just stick blend it. I'm not comfortable with that because I get thick pretty fast. Okay. Now, this is what I'm going to show you. I'm going to pick up the camera to show you how I'm doing this. Okay. I'm going to pour this into here from up high so that it sinks all the way down to the bottom and then go low. I pour a little on the top from. Okay, that's in. It's in. I want this really colorful because I'm using this for embeds. You can use less soap for the colors if you want. Here's the black. I think I'm going to need some more. Okay, let's do it again. Get the same place. I guess I'm going to save some for the top. And the black. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to stir this just a little bit like that. See how that is? Now I'm going to go over to my mold. I don't know why I left it on the table, but now I'm going to just pour. Hopefully it won't mix too much. Looks like it mixed up a little bit. That's okay, because I'm just using this for embeds. I'm going to get the rest of my soap here. Sorry, I'm taking you all over the place. Oops. And I'm just going to go like this. This is going to be pretty dark. I see that now. Wasn't expecting that. That's okay. Alrighty. That's what's happening. So hopefully you got something out of that. If you have any questions, please comment, and I'll try to answer them as best I can. Thanks for watching. Bye.